In this video, I am going to show you how to play USB videos on your Samsung Smart TV easily and quickly. First, ensure that your USB drive is properly formatted to a compatible file system, such as FAT32 or NTFS, and that it contains the video files you want to play. Next, plug the USB drive into one of the available USB ports on your Samsung Smart TV. Once connected, turn on your TV and press the Home button on your remote to access the main menu. Navigate to the Source option and select the USB drive from the list of sources. After selecting the USB drive, you will see a list of the video files stored on it. Use the remote to highlight the video file you want to play and press the Enter button. The video will begin to play, and you can use the playback controls on the screen to pause, rewind, or fast forward as needed. If your video doesn't play, ensure that the file format is supported by your TV. Common supported formats include MP4, AVI, and MKV. Enjoy your videos on the big screen. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.